Hey everyone, this is Robert. In this tutorial, I will introduce you to the basics of image verification. Understanding how to verify images using various tools and techniques is really at the core of fact-checking. It's one of the most essential skills because so much misinformation these days comes through manipulated or out-of-context photos. Knowing how to spot fakes or trace an image back to its original source can make all the difference in figuring out what's true or not. We live in an age of ubiquitous images. Think of it. Almost 7 billion smartphones, 2 billion photos taken every day, and hundreds of millions posted on the internet, mostly on social media, every single day. A constant fire hose of unverified images from which most people with reading habits in constant decline build their understanding of the world and shape their opinions. Now, add to the mix artificial intelligence, AI, and its infinite possibilities to create ultra-realistic images of people who have never done or said what they seem to be doing or saying, or of people who simply don't exist. Like many people, you may feel overwhelmed by the scale and complexity of disinformation, thinking there's nothing you can do and losing trust in everything. The good news is that there are tools and techniques for quickly fact-checking images. Some are simple and some require more training and specialized skills. This tutorial will look at Google Lens, an excellent AI-powered reverse image search tool that does many things. But first, remember that verifying images should always start with your secret tool. Yes, we all have biases and our brains can be easily tricked. Take the time to look closely at any image. Ask yourself if the caption fits the description. For example, what's unusual about this tweet on mega fires in the Amazonian rainforest? I'll give you a few seconds. Look closely at the details in the photos. What is out of place here is the last photo. Do those trees look like they're from a tropical rainforest? They're pine trees. Maybe from North America, certainly not from Brazil. Or look at this other photo showing Putin being arrested. When a photo triggers a strong emotion like joy, laughter, sadness, or outrage, it may be a sign you shouldn't trust it right away. That is how images go viral on social media. Emotions often cloud our judgment and cause us to share without thinking critically. You can tell this photo was likely made by AI. AI still makes mistakes, like giving people 6 fingers on one hand. Now let's look at a great tool for fact-checking images, Google Lens. You can access it from any browser or computer by going to the Google homepage and clicking the little camera icon to the right of the search bar. This little window then pops up. You can add an image from your PC by dragging it, uploading it, or pasting its address. The address of an image can be found by right-clicking on it and on Copy Image Address. It generally ends with JPG, like here, .png or .webp. But if you have a recent copy of the Chrome browser, you don't need to do any of this. Lens is embedded right in the browser. Let me show you how it works. Go to this page, bourgoing.com/CFI, BOURGOING, that's my last name, .com/CFI. You see this image. To know who took this picture, where and when, you can simply right-click on it and then on Search with Google Lens. This opens a panel on the right-hand side where you see similar-looking photos. The important one is the first result, which shows the exact same image with a clickable link to some results. It opens 5 pages. 5 pages visited and archived by Google contain this photo. For more comfort, you can resize the width of the panel like this. I click on the first result. That brings me to this page, which is written in French. If you don't speak French, don't worry. Another great feature of Chrome is automatic translation. Right-click on an empty spot and translate to English in this case, but you can choose another language if you wish. If you read this article, you will learn that I took this picture in Yemen in 2005, and the whole story is here. Now, Google Lens makes it possible to search not only a complete picture, but also details or parts of an image. Take this one, a screen capture of a tweet with 5 photos and text. If you wish to learn about the story of the crying monkey and confirm whether the photo was really taken in the burning Amazon rainforest, as the tweet suggests, just do this. Right-click on it, search with Google Lens. Now you see the handles on all sides of the image. You can resize the search area to focus on the monkeys. Which gives you results only for this part of the picture. Now, if you click on View Results under the first visual match, you will quickly find web pages that tell the real story, which in fact happened in India. And by the way, the baby monkey is doing very well. You can also search any part of a web page that contains an image, even a video. Just pause the video where you want it to be. Then right-click on an empty space on the page and do Search with Google Lens. Now, with the displayed cross, select the area you want to search, like here. One more thing. With Google Lens, you can extract text from any image and translate it on the fly, like here. Right-click on an empty space of the page, do Search with Google Lens, and then select the text. Then click on Translate. Look on the right-hand side, you have the extracted text and its translation. Voila, this concludes this tutorial on the reverse image search technique with Google Lens. Thanks for watching and see you soon.